This will be the first time shooting the Glocks since we've got those Ameriglo Defoor Tactical Sights put on. I've got those put on both the Glock 19 and the Glock 26. I'm expecting better accuracy because the sights are slimmer. The front sight post is slimmer and the back is wider. So supposedly we'll get better accuracy off of that setup right there. Excited to see though. It's been a while since I've shot the gun, or any of my guns. I'm pretty sure my ARs are still on sight. I ain't worried about those too much. I just gotta get those cycling. It's been a while. They're dying to have some round cycle through them. They're just begging for it. All my guns have been begging for it. That's what guns do. That's what they're made for. To shoot. Your last rounds are always a pain in the ass to load on your Glock, on your magazines. That's why we gotta cycle your magazines today so that they get some action, because we're always shooting mine. So your magazines don't ever really get
the spring stuff.
Yeah, they're all like virgins, man. Bunch of freaking virgins. All these virgin magazines. Alright, first shots off of the Glock 19 with the Ameriglo Defoor Tactical Sights. Left. Even further left. Damn, I'm shooting left right now. Okay, I'm shooting consistently left. It's consistent, but it's left. Bug. All right. Go see how the group is. Okay, this is first rounds I've shot in this gun in like months and months, and new sights, so I'm not proud of it, but it is rather consistent. It's all within, that's my hand size right there, that's all within 5 inches of each other maybe, and I'm like maybe 10 yards. Is this 10 yards, you think? About 10 yards.
It might be more 10.
More than 10? I say maybe about 10 yards. Alright. Glock 26. So, let's see how they work. All right, let's go take a look, see how that grouping is. Man, we're gonna have a whole lot of brass to pick up.
Good.
So it's been months since I shot that gun. Also first time shooting with those Defoor Tactical Sights, and shooting at this group right here. Seems like I did better with the Glock 26 than I did with the 19, or maybe I'm just getting a little bit more used to it. Once again, steel plate. Now for the Glock 26. Oh man, that felt real good. That felt real good right there. Let's zoom it. Let's zoom it. This one is fun. Perfect free throws. Perfect free throws. another ticket. One more ticket for the ride. Mags. Close to you. We're close to you.
I'll do mine. Yours hot though. Give my glove.
I don't think they're in here. I just looked.
Give me your glove.
Here, there's these gloves.
Yeah, just give me a glove.
Hey, you just need the one for
I just need for the holding.
Yeah, for your left hand. Check out those tactical gloves. Show me those tactical gloves. Hey, you can use the touch screen with those.
Heck yeah, sure can. That way I can record myself.
Yeah. Selfie.
Selfie.
Selfie style. Rambo. Then you're gonna Rambo it up.
I'm bruised.
Weak.
Yeah.
Jenny, weak sauce. That's why she needs more. She needs more trigger time. She needs more trigger time.
I need girls.